minutes after U.S. Supreme Court struck down constitutional right to abortion. Missouri's Attorney General announced introduction of a trigger law that would make states' abortion ban one of strictest in country. The only exception is medical emergencies that threaten the life of the pregnant person. Like many Missourians, Jamie Corley was outraged. She would go on to found the Missouri Women and Families Research Fund, which aims to enshrine some abortion protections in the state constitution. Corley is hardly alone in doing this. Many abortion rights advocates and groups have mobilized to try to strengthen protections in states where abortion is prohibited. But unlike many who oppose the Missouri ban, Corley is a Republican. She spent years working for GOP lawmakers in the nation's capital. Whether people say they're pro-life, whether they say they're pro-choice, they can still stand behind what we're doing. Corley's organization has proposed 6 ballot initiatives that would create an exception for abortion in cases of fatal fetal abnormalities, incest or rape. If someone calls a crisis hotline, some regulations would allow abortions up to the 12th week of pregnancy, and all of them would prevent the state from punishing those who have or perform abortions. Being pregnant in Missouri is dangerous, Corley said shortly after submitting her petitions to the Missouri Secretary of State. We are seeing stories of women facing incredible medical complications because they cannot get the care they need due to draconian abortion laws. He's optimistic that it would be possible to lift states' ban in 2024, when his initiatives could potentially be on the ballot if issue goes directly to voters. In Missouri, voters can amend state constitutions with a simple majority vote on a ballot initiative. I think most Republicans don't want a complete ban on abortion, he said. Matthews, who spoke with Corley about her polling efforts but was not paid by her organization, recently took part in a survey in states with strict abortion bans, including Missouri. State legislators who do not support rape and incest exceptions are out of step with voters. Matthews said, "That's roughly what we find in states with strict abortion bans." Matthews says recent history has favored those who support abortion rights. What we found was that red states where the abortion issue was addressed as a standalone initiative, and this happened last cycle in Kentucky, Montana, and others, voters were favor of the reproductive rights position. In every state where voters directly weighed in on abortion rights in 2022, they supported measures that protect those rights and rejected initiatives that jeopardize those rights. Abortion rights advocates are determined to continue this trend. Missourians for Constitutional Freedom, a group that supports abortion rights, also filed nearly a dozen abortion-related petitions. Some of these allow abortion up to 24th week of pregnancy. Why?